And the next roundabout, I would like you to turn right, please. Second exit.
That was me controlling Roundabout.
You need to go.
Okay, should I go?
Yes.
Sorry, I wasn't sure.
Easy, easy. Gradual speed though, yeah? Let's talk about this mini roundabout. So we were turning right.
Yeah.
Which exit are we taking? 2. So where was the first exit?
That one. So this one.
Was there anything on the left?
No.
There was nothing on the left, isn't there?
No.
So your first exit is ahead. And you were turning right, exit number 2. So that means you give way to cars coming from your right, which there was a white BM coming, right?
Yeah.
So you stop with that. That makes sense. Traffic coming from the front, were any of them were signaling, telling you they're going your right and going around, going back again over there? Were anyone signaling?
Yes. No.
Turning right.
Okay.
So any traffic coming from there, were they signaling, telling you they're coming into front of your road and going back again where they're coming from? Nobody was signaling, correct? There were one car coming from your right which you stopped, makes sense. Once that car goes,
I should have gone.
because they were not signaling means they're going straight ahead. So are you potentially driving in front of their road?
Yes.
Or are you into their right side?
Yeah.
So what you should have done?
Gone.
Yeah. So that means you are hesitating that what to do. The only time I would say you don't go if the car is coming from the immediate right into your path, or if anyone's signaling going around, either they're going to the left or going around, and then you can go. So you should have gone. You hesitated a little bit. Now I don't think so examiner would fail you instantly, but if this is occurrence, if you're doing it a couple of more time in your test, then it may become a serious fault. The examiner may say, look, she don't know, she's hesitating too much in the roundabout, and it will become a problem. So is that clear? Do you have any question on this? Yeah, overall good driving, well done. So